Morning traders, Nick Master Market Dealers here to bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, June 15th. It's approximately quarter after 7 a.m. on the East Coast. Unfortunately, yesterday we had an issue regarding getting out our newsletter, and as well as doing some other things very simply because the hosting company that we're using had some down servers, which unfortunately caused this problem. But it appears as though today we are back online, and hopefully it stays that way. Now, if we were to take a look at the overnight session, Asia is trading mixed, if you will. It's trading mainly lower, with the exception of the Hang Seng Shanghai exchanges, which are trading higher at the present time. Currently, right now in Europe, and this current ongoing, Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside, with many of these exchanges trading to positive triple-digit territory. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, the U.S. dollar is trading lower. The indices themselves are trading higher in terms of the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average. However, the bonds are trading higher. Gold is trading higher. Crude oil is now starting to trade. Crude oil is trading lower. If you were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, basically what we're dealing with today is very much a new tsunami, if you will, in terms of both economic news as well as FOMC day. At 8:30 a.m. we have retail sales, core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index. These are all major. These are all proven market movers. We also have import prices. At 10 a.m. we have business inventories. We have Nabu Housing Market Index, which again is major. At 10:30 a.m. we have crude oil inventories, which is typical, usual, and customary for Wednesday. However, the news of the day is going to be at 2 p.m. when we have the results of the FOMC meeting. So at 2 p.m. we have economic projections, the FOMC statement, the federal funds rate, which of course is major, and then at 2:30 p.m. we have an FOMC press conference, which kind of tells us that something major is afoot. Most people are calling for a 3/4 of a basis point raise. We haven't seen that in almost 30 years, so it'll be interesting to see how it all works out. Lastly, at 4 p.m. you have long-term purchases. This is not considered to be major because it's out at 4 p.m. and really will have no effect on the markets whatsoever. All this being said, the bias is neutral. And the reason why we maintain a neutral bias is, number one, first and foremost, it is FOMC day. And the markets historically have never shown any sense of normalcy on that day, which means it could pretty much go anywhere. But above and beyond that, what we're seeing that the indices are trading higher. U.S. dollar is trading lower. That's good. That is correlated, if you will. However, the bonds are not following suit. The bonds are trading higher when in reality they ought to be trading lower. This is kind of a red flag to us and tells us something is just not quite right here. Hence our bias is neutral or mixed, meaning the markets could go anywhere. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.